Namaste everyone, I am Dr. Meetu. Every tooth has a story, but the wisdom tooth carries something deeper, and today I want to share it with you. Why do we call them wisdom teeth? Are they just late blooming molars that cause pain and force us to visit dentist? Or they carry a deeper meaning about life and growth? Today I want to take you on a journey through science, through history, through spirituality, and even through a personal story, so that by the end of this video you will see wisdom teeth in a way you have never seen before. Let's get started. Let's start with the science. Wisdom teeth are the third set of molars that usually appears between the ages 17 to 25. Anthropologists believe our ancestors needed them to chew hard roots, nuts, and raw meat. Back then, jaws were larger, diets were tougher, and extra molar was an asset. But as our diets have softened, our jaws has evolved to be smaller. Wisdom teeth didn't disappear, they still arrived, often causing problems. Either they are impacted or experience pain while erection. Medically, wisdom teeth can be complicated, but the timing of their arrival is fascinating. They appear right when a person is stepping into adulthood, a phase where real life decision and responsibilities begin. The very name carries mystery. In Latin, they are called dens sapientiae, literally teeth of wisdom. Across cultures, they have been linked to maturity. They don't erupt in childhood when we are playful, dependent. They don't erupt in teenagers when we are still testing boundaries. They wait, they arrive when you're crossing into adulthood, an age when your brain has matured, your identity begins to settle, and you start shaping your future. So maybe they aren't called wisdom teeth just by accident. Now let's look into the spirituality. Every tooth is just not a piece of enamel, it's part of body's foundation. Your molars especially are grounding teeth. They help you chew, break down, and process life's nourishment. Wisdom teeth, the last to arrive, symbolize the final roots of grounding before full independence. They remind us you are now capable of standing on your own. Think about how they erupt. It's not always smooth. Sometimes they push through effortlessly, sometimes they struggle, they get impacted or cause pain. Isn't that exactly how wisdom itself works? True wisdom rarely arrives easily. It pushes through discomfort, through resistance, through sleepless nights. But when it finally breaks through, it changes everything. Spiritually, wisdom teeth mirrors life's journey. Growth comes late, it comes with pain, but it comes with purpose. I once met a young woman, Meera. She came to me with severe pain in her wisdom teeth. She was just 19, a college going student, facing not just dental problems but also the weight of adult choices, career, relationship, identity. Her wisdom teeth were impacted and had to be removed. She was very anxious, worried, and asked me, if they are called wisdom teeth, does removing them mean I will lose all my wisdom? I smiled and told her, no, Meera, wisdom is not in the tooth, it is in you. The teeth is just a reminder that growth often comes late and with discomfort. Sometimes it is even it has to be removed for you to step into freedom. Wisdom is what you learn through the experience, not what stays in your mouth. A few months later, she wrote to me. She said, that conversation stayed with me just like my wisdom teeth. I realized some part of my life were impacted, relationships, habits that I had to let go of. Removing them was painful, but it gave me space to grow. That is when I realized wisdom teeth may not literally give wisdom, but they are powerful teachers. Here's something beautiful to reflect on. If wisdom teeth erect smoothly, it's a symbol of alignment with life's flow. If they struggle and get impacted, it is a symbol of blocked growth and lessons waiting to be learned. If they need removal, it's a reminder that letting go is also a part of wisdom. So whether they stay or they go, their timing has meaning. Wisdom is not in the tooth, it's in the journey of how it arrives. So, do wisdom teeth really have wisdom? Scientifically, they are just molars. Spiritually, they are milestone markers of maturity, of pain that birth growth, of the ending that make room for new beginning. So, as we bid farewell to this tiny tooth, may it remind us every ending in the body is just the beginning of a deeper wisdom within. Take a moment to reflect what changes are erupting in your life, what growth is pushing through discomfort, because true wisdom is not just teeth you grow, it's about the person you grow into. Wisdom teeth mark the age of wisdom, but true wisdom is how you choose to live. Thank you. Namaste. See you soon in my next upcoming videos.